Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This is an 11-inch iPad. It's now more capable than ever with super fast A16 chip, Liquid Retina display, advanced camera, Wi-Fi 6, USB Type-C connector, 4 gorgeous color. iPad deliver a powerful way to create, stay connected, and get things done. This iPad, the display is 11-inch Liquid Retina with true tone for comfortable viewing. Performance powered by super fast A16 chip with all-day battery life. Storage range from 128GB to 512GB storage space. Operating system, it runs on iPadOS with multitasking, Scribble, Stage Manager, and support for over 1 million apps. Accessories compatible with Apple Pencil, USB-C, and first generation Magic Keyboard Folio for drawing, note-taking, and typing. Camera 12MP front camera with center stage and 12MP rear camera with 4K video and document scanning. Connectivity, you can connect this via Wi-Fi 6 and USB Type-C. Security, Touch ID for secure unlocking, and Apple Pay. This iPad offers strong performance, versatility, creative tool. We're going to unbox this iPad, check it out, and see what is inside. Look at that, beautiful. USB cable. And the information pack. Switch this on and off from this button. This is beautiful, very light, and the battery is showing us 97%. So swipe to open. So once you swipe it up, then you select your language, English, then select the country, select your region, then you select continue. Quickly set up iPad, set up without another device, then you select set up without another device. Then it will show you connect to Mac or PC. It will show you the network available. Then you select the network, then put the password. You join the network. It takes a few minutes to activate your iPad. Then select continue. Age range. Then you select adult or child. Select continue. Then it will ask you select your age. Then Touch ID. I'm going to set up Touch ID later. Then you create password. Then you create an iPad passcode. It will show you transfer your Apple account. You sign it with Apple account or other sign-in option. Sign it, then you agree to terms and condition. Then it will ask you set up location, set up letter. Screen time, set up screen time letter. Then it will ask you about analytic. Don't share analytic. Then you select light or dark display. This is light display. This is dark. This is auto. So we select light, for instance, select continue. Siri, set up letter in the setting. Welcome to iPad, get started. There we go. So this is the machine. This is how to set this up. This machine is beautiful and it deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed.